Hind everyone, I am Cadet Parth Mungi from 3 Maharashtra Air Squadron Pune. I am currently studying in MMCOE Pune. Being a part of NCC has changed my life in a lot of ways. It has made me more disciplined, more punctual, more loyal. It has inculcated a lot of leadership qualities in me. Being a part of NCC teaches you the true meaning of unity and discipline. You also get to experience how it is to wear the uniform, to have the pride in wearing a uniform. It teaches you a lot of things, especially the officer-like qualities that are inculcated back in the academy.
Jai Hind everyone, I'm Cadet Warrant Officer Shruti Thorat. I'll be talking about the various glorious camps, national camps held in NCC. Let's begin. All India Vayu Sainik Camp, that's just for Air Wing. RDC Republic Day Camp. Then there are some exciting camps like Para Jumping Camp, where you get to skydive, or Everest Base Camps. Then there are other camps like BLC, Basic Leadership, Advanced Leadership. Then there are specifically only shooting related camps, GV Mavalankar Camp. Okay, and so the events that are held in these national camps, I would talk about that now. First and foremost, academics, which plays a major role in this, in which we get to learn about various things like how an aircraft is built and what are their major controls, primary, secondary, whatever, and specific study of the aircraft that we get to fly, that is Virus SW-80 microlight aircraft. Then we have drill, then we have shooting. In shooting also we have first one, that is .22 firing, in which we have 25 yards or 50 yards depending on the competition. And second one is kit shooting, in which we have a moving target. Then we have tent pitching, in which we have to pitch a tent within a time slot. Then we have line area, we have to display our state in a creative way. Then aero modeling, we have static models, control line models, radio control models of aircrafts. Then other than all these competitions, we have various activities like sports competitions, culturals, showcasing your talent, then debate competitions, elocution competitions, group discussions, and it's quite exciting.
Jai, I'm Cadet Warrant Officer Chinmay Dadkar from the number 3 Maharashtra Air Squadron NCC Unit Pune, currently pursuing BE Mechanical in MMCOE. As we know, the pandemic has completely disrupted our lives. However, as an NCC cadet, I got an opportunity to volunteer at COVID vaccination centers under Exercise Yogdan of the National Cadet Corps. I was personally responsible for managing 2 teams of junior cadets at 2 different centers. Here, our primary objective was crowd control, data entry, administration, and overall management, and helping the medical staff. This opportunity not only gave us a chance to help the society as a whole, but also helped us improve our management as well as leadership abilities. Overall, it was a wonderful experience. Thank you and Jai Hind.